5 seconds. Addressing the students, the Vice Chancellor said, I feel greatly honored and it gives me great pleasure to be amongst you this evening. When I was told that I would have to give away the degrees and diplomas to the students of this university, I was elated, though not surprised at the invitation, as this is the same institution from which I obtained my highest degree. It occupies an important place in my life. My association with this university has been long and memorable. I had the opportunity to see it grow and establish itself as a center of learning, making thousands and thousands of people literate. Many great personalities, like our Chief Minister, have come out of this institution blessed with knowledge. The teachers have no doubt a great passion for their subjects, and the achievements made by the students of this institution, not only in our country but throughout the world, are the testimony to the dedicated effort of the professors. I had the pleasure of having a look at the various models they have brought out for better teaching at various levels of education, and all of them have proved successful. There is a great responsibility on the student. A good student, by his behavior, can make the teacher motivated and discharge his duties to the best of his ability. But on the other hand, if the students are disinterested, the teacher may not be able to bestow his energy for the development of the students. As all of you are aware, it is the teacher who plays an important part in the life of a student. He is respected after the parents, as the child spends more time with the teacher at school than at home. Thus, it is the right atmosphere that is necessary for a proper system of education to thrive in an institution. In the second place, the amenities in an educational institution have a role to play. As soon as the student enters the places of higher learning, he should be tempted to make use of all the available facilities. A good library, for instance, can provide vast knowledge. Fortunately, I am happy to observe that there is a good library in this university with many standard books. Not only they meet the requirements of the degree students, but also a great many are useful for research also. The long list of persons who are going to be awarded degrees in research is definitely an indication of the sincerity of the students in making use of the facilities in this center. I am also glad that the university administration has been providing accommodation to the teaching faculty so that they are really available for the students at any time. For this purpose, I was informed that an amount of rupees 50 crores has been allocated during the present budget, and these buildings are ready for occupation within the next few months. The government has drawn up a plan to give priority to such important schemes. Dear sir, as you may be aware, the government has been releasing strategy papers on the important aspects of the administration and is soliciting the valuable views and suggestions for further improvement. In this context, I would like to draw your attention to the enclosed paper on higher education, which emphasizes the government's commitment towards the various facets of education, namely higher education, university education, etc. From the paper, it can be noticed that there has been a big jump in the number of engineering colleges and colleges of degree level. The government expects that the number of persons aiming for technical education would be on the increase in the years to come. With the result, there is every need to establish more engineering colleges to make the education available to all those who require. In order to discuss the issues, there will be a meeting of all the heads of educational institutions and other eminent educationists in the district on the 10th of this month in the meeting hall. The time and other details are being sent separately. The important points on which there will be detailed discussions are listed and sent herewith. Being head of one of the prominent educational institutions in the district, your valuable cooperation is important and I request you to attend the meeting to share your intellectual wisdom. Yours faithfully, Collector